bucket. We'll see.
Everybody should help with one volcano pile. Here's Judy's.
Well, that's the key.
Jamie says this is the last one he does today, that he's going to put in brick.
And dusty, right? So both you can just start hydrating that as we do it to you. What is he do all those stretches? I'm not looking at it. I'm trying to keep myself nice. That's up to you. Why don't you clean up the rest of that? I don't think that way they're like.
And there's Chris, and this is what we accomplished yesterday. Freddie is over there in the corner working on string marks so we can come up higher on the room. And here comes Brock with the cement, chasing the duck. Jesse's going after more concrete, which is stored back there in one of those houses, if you will. But you can see the other houses that are available. There's the family waiting this morning. Everybody's getting ready to do something. Here comes Miguel. He's going to start another volcano pile to make the mortar for the bricks. Here's Jesse with the concrete.